Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the session number 2, and the session is working with data. In today's topic I am going to cover the following points: entering data in worksheets, filling range and auto input, editing data, erasing and deleting data, cut, copy, paste, moving, and working with formula and function. Let's see the topic one by one. The first topic is entering data in worksheet. Entering data means typing the data in a worksheet, and the type of data may be numeric, alphanumeric, and non-numeric, or formula. That means, in short, if I say the three types of data can be entered in a worksheet, the first is number. That means purely number. That may be number, may be integer or fractional number. Second is text, the text like what I have typed on a worksheet. And third can be formulas. Formula means for doing any calculation we write the formula, and as we know, the formula in Excel always starts with a equal to sign. Suppose for formula I am writing one example, equal to 12 plus 25. So I have written a formula 12 plus 25, and this 12 and 25 may refer to any of the cell like A1 or B1 or C1, anything. So I hope this is clear. The three types of values can be entered: number, text, and formula. Number, as we all know, text can be anything. Text may be a pure text or it may be alphanumeric, and numbers formula can be any instruction to calculate the two or new values based on the other values. Next topic is filling range and auto input. Filling range in a worksheet can be filled with various types of values in adjacent cells. मतलब कि range जो है, range means cell or group of cells. Means suppose starting from cell A1 to A10, if we group these cells, that group of cell is called as range. Range can be filled in many ways. The first or very simplest method is by dragging the fill handle. Suppose I want to fill the value from cell A1 to cell A10. So what I will do, I will type the initial two values 1 and 2, and I will select these and I will drag it up to the required cell. This is called as filling range. This is the one of the method to fill the range by dragging the drag handle. This corner is called as fill handle. So when we will drag this fill handle by selecting any values, it will automatically increase. This is the feature of Excel, that it supports such feature in which we can fill the series by dragging the fill handle. And the second method is by using the series command. Okay, the series command is not in your syllabus. I am just giving one example. Suppose I want to write January to December, means I want to write the name of months. So I am starting with this first month, January, and I am selecting the cell 12 cells. Okay, and this is the series icon, fill series icon, and I am selecting the series, AutoFill, and click OK. See, this is the another method of filling the cell range. Okay, and the next topic is auto input. Let's see what is auto input. Auto input is also known as flash fill in MS Excel. Okay, suppose I have these two columns, and the name of first column is suppose first name, and suppose this is last name, and this is full name. Yes, I have taken three columns: first name, last name, and full name. Now let's see how I want the full name is to be combined with first name and last name. Suppose to make a full name, I am combining first name and last name. So I will write here MG and I will press enter. For the next name, as I will type KG to combine these all names. See, you can see the suggestion for all these names is automatically arriving. Let's say I am doing it again. The first name is MG, second name is let KG. Now you can see the automatic suggestion for rest of the column is automatically appearing, KL and OP. Okay, this is called as flash fill method. So this is all auto input method. That means for rest of the column, rest of the cells, the values automatically appears. See it again. As I am typing the KG, the suggestion for rest of the column is automatically appearing, KL and OP. As I will press enter, the value will be automatically considered. This is called auto. So I hope this topic is clear, auto input, or this is flash fill. But remember one thing, this flash fill feature is only available in Office 2013 and above version. This is not available in Office 2007 version. Now next topic is naming a cell range. Naming a cell range means, what does it mean? We can give a specific name to any cell. Okay, suppose this is a cell F10 and I want to give a name, unique name. In place of F10 I can give it another name, like I am giving it TOT. Okay, so this is called a name box, and now I want to calculate sum of these two numbers 10 and 20 in this cell. So I have already given a name to this cell. This is TOT. So when I will write a formula, तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकता हूँ, TOT plus cell number F11. So this is giving 30. So we can use this feature, cell naming a range, so that instead of writing the cell or instead of remembering the cell names or cell range again and again, we can give it a meaningful name. Okay, so that when we will use it or when we will refer this cell anywhere in the worksheet in a formula, it will quite easy for us to use that cell with the help of that given meaningful name. This is the main advantage of giving name to a range. Next is editing data. Editing data means changing or overwriting the existing value. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है 10. Suppose now I want to change it to 15. So what I have done, I have overwritten the existing value. This is called editing. Editing consists of means changing the value or deleting the value also. When we will press enter key, the new value will be entered and existing value will be get overwritten. This is called editing the data in Excel. Next is erasing or deleting, that you can easily understand what is the meaning of erasing or deleting. That means you can finally delete by pressing the delete key from the keyboard. Next is cut, copy, paste. That you all are very quite familiar with cut, copy and paste. Cut means, suppose when I will press cut, Control plus X, the cell is rounded by this moving dot sign. It shows that the cell is ready to be pasted somewhere. So when I will press Control V, the value will get moved. This is cut. Okay, copy, when I will press Control plus C, this cell will get copied. This moving dots represent that the cell has been copied and it is now ready to be pasted somewhere else. So in cut and copy there is a one difference. In case of cut, the original value get moved from one place to another place and the original value will get deleted, while in case of copy, the original value remains at its own place and the duplicate copy get pasted somewhere. Similarly, in the case of moving means moving the value from one place to another place. We can do it with the help of Control plus X or by using cut option. That means when we will cut the value from one place, it will get pasted somewhere else and it will get deleted from its original place. This is also called as moving. Next topic is working with formulas and functions. What is formulas? Formulas are the entry in worksheet that define the relationship of two or more cells. Sometimes a cell value is dependent upon other. This dependency is depicted through formulas. मतलब कि किसी एक सेल की वैल्यू किसी दूसरे सेल पे डिपेंड करती है and the new value is calculated with the help of old value, and that can only be done with the help of formulas. And what is a function? Functions are the ready-made formula that is stored in the library, in the library of Excel. मतलब functions क्या होते हैं? रेडीमेड फार्मूलाज होते हैं जो MS Excel की लाइब्रेरी में ऑलरेडी स्टोर किए हुए रहते हैं और हम उस फंक्शन को यूज करते हैं. फंक्शन जो है दैट मे टेक सम थिंग्स. ठीक है, फंक्शंस जो है वो क्या ले सकते हैं? दैट मे टेक द आर्गुमेंट्स. ओके, आर्गुमेंट्स में क्या हो सकता है? जैसे मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ सम फार्मूला, तो मैं इसके लिए क्या लिखूंगा? इक्वल टू सम. सो सम इज अ फंक्शन. ओके, एंड जब हम इस सम फंक्शन को बताते हैं कि करना क्या है, फ्रॉम विच सेल टू विच सेल यू हैव टू फाइंड द सम, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज आर्गुमेंट टू अ फंक्शन. दिस इज आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सेल F1 to F9. So what I have given to function sum F1 to F9, and this mid value is called as argument to the function. So when I will press enter key, it will get, the sum will get calculated. So this is called as argument to a function. So there is a difference between formula and function, slight difference. Formula is a relationship between two cells and the new value is calculated with the help of formula, while function is a ready-made formula that is stored in the library of, that is already stored in the library of MS Excel, and we can use it easily by supplying or by giving the argument to that function. That's all today. In the next class we will study about the cell references. There are 3 types of cell references that we have already studied in class 7th and 8th. In class 7th itself, the 3 types of references are relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. That we will see in the next class.